It's National Eyebrows Day, and I want to share with you my eyebrow favorite. I've been using this from NYX. It's like a super fine point marker. You can see. Oh, and then I've been using this gel from Anastasia. She has amazing products for your eyebrows. Use this to fill in a little bit. Super natural, right? Over there. After that, I will just go backwards with the gel. And then go back. Give them shape. Remember I got my eyebrows lamination like a few months ago. I don't feel like I'm gonna do it again. I feel like I don't need it, especially if I'm using this product. Because then you still need to use like a wax or a gel. My eyebrows are not like super crazy. I feel like we're okay with this. And after they dry, if you still see, oh, I have this spot, maybe you can just trace another letter.